Hey guys, welcome back. My wife and I are driving to a meet. It's called Cruising California. It's like a 45-mile rally. On the way up there, we're just going to tell you guys what we like and kind of don't like about this car. It's a 2015 RC350 F-Sport. And, you know, I'll just start it off real quick. I personally love the interior in this thing. I love it. The Rioja red is beautiful. I get so many compliments on it. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. What do you like about the car?
I agree. I like the interior a lot. It's beautiful. The exterior is really nice as well. But yeah, I do really like color. I don't really like red, but I do really like this color.
Yeah, me too.
It's really comfortable, and I really like the dual, like the heated and air conditioned seats a lot.
Yeah, for sure. One thing I don't like, though, I will tell you right now, I do not like this infotainment system. The navigation is awkward, it's kind of whack. Just overall, the infotainment system seems a little bit out of date here in 2020, but overall, this is a really nice place to be. I really do enjoy it. I do not like the stock power of this thing. I swear, when we first drove it, if you don't put it in Sport or Sport Plus, my old 2010 Camry was legitimately feeling faster. But once you put this thing in Sport Plus, use the paddle shifters, it really brings it to life. So this is really how you have to drive the car. Sport Plus, paddle shifters, you know, you have to be in control, because other than that, it's just like very, very sluggish, it feels like. I'm sorry, what were you going to say?
No, I said even Sport is better. I mean, I just drive it in Sport. I don't drive it in Sport Plus, but it's just way better than driving it in regular mode.
Right. Taking this thing around corners. The all-wheel steering, the back, sometimes if you hit a corner, you know, going 50, 60, maybe, you know, whatever, you really feel those back wheels like pivot and really like help you hook into that corner. So, you know, this is one thing that I've noticed that really helps the driving dynamics of the car. So far we've done a couple modifications to it, you know, axle back exhaust, the NVIDIA mid-pipe, we have the K&N air filter in it, and really the sound is amazing actually. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Let me drop a couple of gears and see if you guys can kind of hear this. But yeah, Noah, sounds awesome.
He's like,
Hey, you know what? This car as an overall package is an amazing car. You know, I've driven like all kinds of cars, Mercedes AMG. You know, we've had a 6-speed Accord, an 03. I don't know if you guys are familiar, but that was a really good car too. So like, I've driven like a bunch of different cars. I've sold cars, Corvettes, the old Z06s. You know what? This car is very, very, very special. I know it's not the F, it's not the V8, but you know what? With the V6 tuned correctly, you know, modified correctly, this car is going to be amazing. Amazing. We're going to get it there too. So please help us, support us. You know, like, subscribe, tell your friends, refer it to other people that you know that like or even consider buying an RC50. I highly recommend it, especially on the used market. This car is amazing. So, one thing that you don't like about the car,
I mean, I don't like coupes.
should have been better done as a just two-door, two-seater, and that's it. But you know what? On a plus side, we get to take Sophia, we get to take my daughter with us, and that's always a blessing. That's always fun, and you know, hopefully you guys see her more on the channel. So, as a driver, I just really feel good driving the car. It looks great. It feels great.
It's fun to drive.
It's fun to drive. It really is. It's nice. It's a nice place to be. She drives a 2016 Avalon, which is a very decent car as well. It has a 3.5 liter V6. I think it's the same motor that's in this car. She just has a sedan Toyota. I have the coupe Lexus, so tuned differently. But yeah, very comparable. By the way, this is my wife. Her name is Masuda. We call her Mas. So you guys are more than welcome to call her Mas. And she's going to be helping me on the channel. We're going to start doing reviews, and you know, we're driving up to these meets and just kind of hanging out and trying to meet people. If you guys want to hang out, if you guys want to get together, if you guys want to go on a cruise or anything, you know, please reach out to us. We're trying to push this forward. So let's do it. Let's make some content. Let's have some fun. Stay tuned, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.